I know He will heal me. I know He will deliver me. What is in your heart? The woman told herself that if I touch, just touch, I shall be healed. She told herself the outcome before the action. She told herself what she is expecting from Jesus. She had faith. She had conviction. Because when they brought her to Jesus, she told him everything. And Jesus said, woman, your faith has made you whole. That telling herself was her faith.